Hey, hello guys, today I'm going to show you what you can do when your avatar or character in Roblox isn't loading up and you can't show the items that you're wearing, for example, on your profile. Now it's a very easy process. I'm going to show you step by step, so let's get straight into it. Now, usually what happens is when you try to open up your Roblox account, and here you see your character. Now sometimes it just doesn't show up. Now don't worry, this happens for a lot of people, because most of the time when it happens, it's caused by the servers of Roblox. So first make sure to check the comments if there's anyone complaining about it, and that's probably the issue. But sometimes it happens when you have some certain errors in your Google or browser itself. So what we want to do and what we can do is go to the top right corner of your browser, the three dots right here, and from there we want to go into the settings tab right above exit. Now, as you can see right here, we're on the settings of Google. Now here we go to the privacy and security tab, and here we have the browser data. Now we open up the browser data, and here you see the cookies and other site data. Now it's very important that you delete the cookies and other site data and the cached image and files. Now here you simply press delete data, and from there you can close this window. Now what you want to do next is you want to go to the three dots once again, and from here go to the extensions. Now here press manage extensions and make sure to turn off all the extensions right here, because sometimes they can also cause difficulties with the Roblox program on your browser. That's a very easy process. If this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.